to start jQuery. This is my first jQuery program. First, we go to the Visual Studio. Video of jQuery. This is a folder name. We inside create a subfolder named jQuery practice. jQuery practice folder inside create a new file .index.html. Guys, do you want to create another name? If you want to create, basically I want to create index.html. When to start a new program, then I have basically select the name in index.html. This is easily named. Do not waste time. Go for the program and write the HTML program first. Before the jQuery start, we must learn before HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three we must know. jQuery program. Write the HTML. We have created DB. We have created a list. Inside create a list li first HTML create CSS create a JavaScript before start jQuery. We know all basic technology. Okay, where to run simple HTML program in Visual Studio? We must know. We need a live server. Go to the extension and search on live server. It depend upon the internet. Here is come live server. Search and select live server. ऋत्विक देव 59 lakh लोगों ने इंस्टॉल किया. We have installed the 59 lakh peoples. Come in the program. Index.html. Right click and open with live server. Here it's so, but it is not a jQuery program. jQuery we need to implement by two ways. First, CDN. Second is save the jQuery query program in the local PC. Go to search on the jQuery. Here is a jQuery official website. Go to the uncompromised latest version. Copy the CDN and come and paste it inside the head program. And now click on the open with live server. Here is open, but jQuery is not implemented. jQuery CDN is implemented, but where to some writing the jQuery program, then choose the jQuery. Create after DB script. Create $sign document dot ready. Sorry, ready is a function name. Where to provide all function. Create function. Inside a function, I want to click when to click a element like that HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then to be hide. This is this I want to implement this here. First, create $sign. I want to hide when to click people in HTML, CSS, JavaScript one by one. So inside create a li create ID. I want to only one element should be hide. In one times we want to click the li element. So li dot click. Click is a function. I have to create click functions. Inside click functions, write the dollar sign. This object will be should hide. The hide is a method name. Save program and click on the right. Open with live server. Here when to click the HTML CSS Java because I am access the li or li element. Then I have to click here. Then one by one will be stop hide and I have talking about the CDN. The CDN jQuery is implemented by two ways. First is the CDN. So when here I am using the CDN, but I want to the when to use the CDN, so then must be connect internet with your PC. So if you internet not connecting by this internet not connecting by the CDN, sorry by the PC, then must be install the CDN jQuery file to save in your folders. So here I remove the copy the src path only. Go to the browser and paste the path. Here is a jQuery program. When to CDN to paste in the head. So basically jQuery will be implemented all types of the code here written. Copy Control A. Come here and create a in folder file name. Create a folder. Sorry, create a file name. Script.js. Here is paste. Come on the index.html file and remove the CDN. No need require the CDN. Only to give the path in script file. In the script file path and again to click right and open with live server. You going to click the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It's a hide means jQuery program will be working properly. This is my first program.